prima. Kom eens. Hello again you guys, and welcome back to this new dog training tutorial video with Goldie. For today's tutorial I'm gonna teach you guys how you can teach your dog to wait in the car while you open the door until you give the cue for your dog to come out. Goldie, you ready? As you can see, I have my dog right here in front of the passenger seat. The best way to keep a dog in a car is to have a crate in the back of the car. But if you don't have a crate like I don't have in this car, then you can use your leash of the dog and attach it somewhere beneath the car seat. So the first thing you want to do is open the door just a little bit, like this. Just like this. And if your dog stays in position, then you reward your dog. Goed zo. Goed zo. Prima. Goed zo. Prima. That's the first thing you want to do. And also like play a little bit with the door. So again, just a little bit. If the dog stays in position, then that's good. And well, our dog kind of knows the trick already, so she is staying nicely in position, very good. And the following steps are quite similar. It's just a matter of patience and opening the door a little bit more and more and more and more. Blijf. And when you're at the part where you open the door more and more, you can use the command stay, of course, to let your dog know you have to stay. And if your dog struggles to stay and wants to get out very quickly, then you can just start over, close the door, open it a little bit more. Patience, again, is very important. Goed zo. Blijf. Blijf. Goed zo, meisje. Blijf. Blijf. And if your dog tends to go out, then you can just block the way by doing this. Now I'm just in the spot, in the frame. And for the next step, you're just standing in the doorway, having the door wide open, your dog stays in position, and just keep on rewarding this. It's a good behavior, so keep on rewarding the good behavior. Blijf. Goed zo. Blijf. And blijf. This also creates a kind of a calm environment, just your dog staying in the car and you saying, not yet, just stay there. And the step after this one, let your dog still stay in position and move a little bit away from the car, because movement of your body going away from the car also triggers your dog to go out. So again, your dog stays in a sitting position in the car and you slowly move away from the car. Blijf, blijf, blijf. I can see my dog is already getting impatient because she wants to get out. Then for the following up step is you command your dog to come out, but not run away yet. You command your dog to come out and then stay here at the door opening. So you can create some kind of calmness. This prevents your dog from running out, getting crazy, and then you might lose your dog. She's going after some wild animals. So it creates calmness by getting out of the car. And that also reduces stress for you and your dog. Because when you feel stress, your dog most likely feel the stress as well. You take the leash of your dog. What you do is you ask your dog to come out and just, well, so this is not what you want to do, so now I'm not gonna reward her. Command your dog to come out and let her stay here in the door opening to create a calm situation. Goldie, come. Come here. Goed zo, prima. And if your dog tends to run away, you can simply block the way by opening the door, closing the door a little bit more. Goldie, come. Now you're just blocking the way. Come on. Okay. That's acrobatic shit. Come. Blocking the way, sit and wachten. Goed zo. So again, this creates a calm situation. And on your cue, come on, you can ask your dog to go. So to summarize, the behavior you want to train your dog, getting her out calmly before going for a walk, is open the door, asking her to come out and stay before walking away. Come, blijf, sit. Goed zo, prima. Again, this creates calmness and reduces stress for your dog and for you. Here are some things that you don't want to train and you want to avoid. Number one is letting your dog out of the car before you're giving a cue. That creates confusion. For example, like this. Also, this shows, you see what's happening right now? She's getting crazy. I didn't give her a cue to come out. I'm just took the leash to get her out, and now she's getting crazy. She's biting the leash, running away. This behavior, you don't want to have this. So this is something you shouldn't do. This was the tutorial. I hope it will help you out. Any questions, leave them down below in the comments. Thanks for now and see you in the next one. Kom, blijf. Kijk eens, zit. Goed zo, meisje. Goed zo, prima.